ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोर्श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोर्नवैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सागररघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगणललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामये। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। जयतां सुरतो पंगो मम मंदमतिर्गति मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्भोजौ राधा मदर मोहनौ दिव्य वृंदारण्यकल्पद्रुमादः श्रीमद्रत्नागार सिंहासनस्थो श्रीमद् राधा श्रील गोविंद देवो प्रेष्ठालिभि सेव्यमानो स्मरामि। श्रीमान् रासरसारम्भे वंशी वटतटस्थितः कर्षन् वेणु स्वनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रियस्तु नः। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम्। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So the third story now is Rajasu Yajna. So we have already understood in the second story that Yudhishthira Maharaj's intention was to perform Rajasu Yajna. The intention is only one, that he wants to show that Supreme Lord of Godhead is Krishna. That's why he made a very elaborate arrangements. He made very elaborate arrangements so that everybody will come, and also he can worship in front of all people, declaring in all of them that only the Krishna is eligible for the highest worship. And he doesn't want to just to show in front of 10-15 people as small kings. In front of the people starting from Brahma is topmost up to the kingdom, and also down also. So many even uragas and so many animals, snakes, etc. In the Rasatala. He invited everybody. And in front of all, he want to show that Krishna is personality of God. That is called the great vision of a devotee. Great vision of the devotee. So, like Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Aham Adischa Devanam. So, I am great of all. Krishna said. So, devotee also is interested, showing that yes, Krishna is great of all. So, in this way, both also are always in the same mood. Because actually, Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radhir Govinda Sarva Karanakar. Actually, this message is very topmost secret. Very confidential. Very confidential. People cannot understand. Very rarely people hear this. Oh, Krishna is not the incarnation. Actually, he is the source of all incarnation. Very rarely they hear. Even if they hear, it is very difficult for them to digest. Even if they digest, really put it to practice, it is rarest of rare. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Koti Mukta Madhye Durlabha Ek Krishna Bhakta. Even if the greatest liberated people, even crores of crore, even to find a pure devotee of Krishna. It's very rare. Like 100 years before, the Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur ji, 100 years, when he was doing one month parikrama in Vrindavan for the Kartik, they said he did not find a single devotee after doing parikrama for 1 month. Just but whom you are seeing, there are hundreds of people doing kirtan and so that's why what Krishna is saying, evam jo veti tatpataha, understanding fully by all means is difficult. So in this way, when everything has been set for the Rajasuya Yajna, the Muhurta was fixed and he invited great personality, great Rishi Munis to perform the Yajna. So he has invited, actually that was Vasanta Rutu, like or Gudi Padava day. Vasanta Rutu is very, very pleasant. The winter is over and the summer is not started. Very, very pleasant. That's why we perform Gudi Padava or the Samvatsaradi, beginning of year, like that. So he has chosen that time, and Vyasa, Bharadvaja, Sumanta, Gautamani, Asita, Vasishta, Kanva, Chavana, Maitreya, Kavasha, Trita, Vishwamitra, Vamadeva, Sumati, Jaimini, Vakratu, Paila, Parashara, Garga, Vaishampayana, Atharva, Kashyapa, Dhaumya, Bharata, Asuri, Vitihotra, Madhuchanda, Virasena, Akrutavarna, like this. So all great rishis, munis, everybody is invited so that they will perfectly chant and perform. Rarest of rare. And Yudhishthira also sent to the all kings and also Devi Devatas. And in that all Kauravas also came, Kuruvamshiya, Drona, Bhishma, Krupacharya, and hundreds, with all 100 sons, Dhritarashtra, Vidura Mahatma, all Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, everybody came and everybody was eager to see. Oh, it is going to be a na bhuto na bhavishyati type of yajna. They were all too eager. They want to see how the great arrangements, how it is going to be performed. So many rishis coming from all over the planetary system. They were eager. And not only human beings, the Indra, Brahma, Shiva, Lokapala, Siddhagana, Gandharva, Vidyadhara, Maha Uraga, Muna, Yaksha, Rakshasha, Devaloka, Paksha, Kinnara, Charana, everyone. Means whole universe, from the creator Brahmaji onwards, all creation came. That was the unique. And when the arrangement was great, was there, nobody got stunned. They have only one. Oh, if Yudhishthira Maharaj, who is a great devotee of Krishna, he can definitely make like this. So it's become so common for them. So they have taken granted that it is going to be great. So people will become stunned if it is beyond their expectation. But they already felt that it is going to be anyway grand. Nobody can compare. So they feel it is quite natural for Krishna and his devotees. So, and Yudhishthira Maharaj made the entire arrangements. He has cleared the land with golden plough and started Yajna Dikshita, and under Krishna's great mercy, the Rajasuya Yajna was completed very successfully, and then the time has come. It is called after Yajna, Somarasapana. There is a special beverage generally, and whoever participates in Yajna, they are given. Basically, that Somarasa is essential to give life to the body, energy to the body, not the intoxication. Because it is after performing the Yajna, it all Aushadhis and all the sanctified mantras it is made, and that too it is on a particular day. That is called, actually it is taken from a tree which is called Soma tree. Soma tree, from the juice is taken, which gives the highest energy, vitality to the body. And it is specially done on a day where a activity is performed. What that activity is? Because in any yajna or any vrata, there could be errors in the performance, errors in the mantra chanting, could be possible, or the errors in worshipping demigods, or even honoring the guest. Anything is possible. So on a particular day, a puja karikrama is done to counteract all those things, and that a special Purohit always selected for that. So on that day, Somapana is done. So everybody is given, everybody is very happy. After that event is also over. Now the discussion came that after the yajna is done, who should be given first honor? Who should be worshipped? This is the topic has come, discussion. It's called Agra Puja. Now there are so many, from Brahma till the lowest planetary system, everybody is there. So whom to offer the Agra Puja? First, who should be offered puja? This discussion came. So Tuli Puja. It is just like selecting the president of a country, so that he is the final authority. When this topic came, everybody became silent. It was very difficult for all of them, because they are seeing Brahma also, they are seeing Shiva also, Indra also, everybody they are seeing. So they have their own feelings. That's why I mentioned that okay, Ishvara Parama Krishna, so and so. You may hear or you may also accept. Can you declare it? So people would have declared very easily, but nobody declared. That shows that it is not so easy to get convinced. So when the topic came, nobody could speak anything. Brahmanas felt that okay, somebody will speak. Why we should speak? Somebody felt that okay, let him speak. We don't know. There are so many people. Somebody may get offended. So people are not convinced about it. So at that time, one fortunate person came forward and spoke. He is Sahadeva, the younger brother of Pandavas. He just stood up and said, that's why, because he spoke, his name has become permanent. So you not knowing one aspect, you heard something, you understood something, you assimilated something, you really put in practice something. So by the time it comes, everything will be filtered. That's why it is mentioned in that Brahma Samhita. Shiti Virachara Katipaye. Shiti Virachara. On this earth, very, 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 very minutest persons understand what is the Goloka. Shiti Virachara Katipaye. Katipaye means minutest part. So very less people talk about it, and minutest percentage people really see. So the fortunate person is Sahadeva. He immediately said that Lord Krishna is the right candidate for Agra Puja, declared straight. His name is, just imagine how great he is. And he said that in the Yajna, the Devatas, Yajna Sthana, time and all Puja Dravya, everything is worshipped and everything is in Krishna. Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavi, Brahmagno, Brahmanahutam, Brahma Karma Samadhan. So whatever is there, everything, Hota, Havi, Yajna, everything is Brahman. Brahman is Krishna. So everything is in Krishna. So he should be. And simply by worshipping Krishna, they are obtained. And if we really worship him, we will get the benefit of worshipping all living entities, because all living entities are within him. And we also worshipping ourselves, means we will be doing greatest benefit to ourselves also. So he is only the right person, and if anybody wants the greatest, highest benefit in his life, he should worship Krishna. He just declared. When he is declared, his statement was unopposed, and everybody, wow, that's good, very nice, everybody said. So just imagine, but who got the credit? Everybody said okay, but they did not declare. So that's why we should take the best opportunity, the Manasa, Vacha, Karma. If the Manasa is there, Vacha will come, and such person will perform the Karma. So Sahadeva was blessed, to speak in front of, and everybody accepted. And all Brahmanas said, yes, Bhagavad, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Everybody said, very nice. And Yudhishthira Maharaj saw all people's face, because he could not see everybody speaking, or he could not hear also. That he just looked at one glance, all faces, how their faces are. Everybody's face is favorable. Everybody is talking to each other, is very good. So some people are talking to each other, but he saw everybody. Then immediately, without further delay, he arranged for the great worship of Krishna. Great worship of Krishna, and everybody and all the Rishi Munis started chanting mantras for Krishna's this one. And Krishna and Yudhishthira Maharaj offered everything to him. He has offered the great gifts, worshipped him, and he sprinkled water, because actually he is elder, but here he is giving the highest worship. So he washed his feet and sprinkled on his brothers, and he became so much overwhelmed. Yudhishthira Maharaj became so much overwhelmed, he started crying. The tears came, and in the tears he could not see Krishna very clearly. And when the things are happening so much, everybody was chanting mantras and offering garlands to Krishna, and all people in the sabha, everything, Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha, because there was chants. They cannot go and offer flowers to him, so from their respective place they start saying, oh Namo Namaha. So they said that our obeisances, like that. And they thrown flowers on Krishna. When everything is over, one demonic person got up. He is Shishupal. It is very surprising that when everything is declared, he did not speak. Entire performance is done, he did not speak. When everything is over, he spoke. So he just got up and started abusing Krishna. So to some extent it's also good, he did not disturb the program. After program is over, his program has to start. That's why he also did in a timely manner. He's a foolish number one, and with a big mouth, he started shouting at Krishna and telling that why one has to, actually in this great assembly there are so many Brahma, Indra, so many great people are there. Why we should consider only a ignorant Sahadeva statement? Now story is over. He should have took objection in the beginning. The story is over, but he wants to reach to his maturation so that he'll be killed. That's the whole idea. And he spoke unlimited offenses to us. That Krishna, he disgraced from the Varnashrama Dharma, and he doesn't stay on the earth, he stays in the ocean, and his only duty, his only job is plundering people. Whatever he wants, he just spoke. And many people went away from this assembly. They don't want to hear, they did not want to hear. And all the Pandavas became so much furious. They wanted to really kill him. They started taking up their weapons. Then Krishna said, just wait. He just wait, and furiously he just applied his chakra. When the chakra is applied, in no time it came and cut down his neck. And as soon as his neck was cut, a jyoti came, or the light came from the body and merged into Krishna. And he got Sahyuja Mukti. So in this way Krishna has ensured that the curse has come to end. As we heard in one of the stories, Jaya Vijaya, the doorkeepers, they were cursed by Brahmanas, and because of that in the first life they became Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu. In second life they became Ravana, Kumbhakarna, and the third life they became Shishupala and Dantavakra. So the Krishna ensured that it is done, he is killed and gone back. And with this Dushta Shikshana, the entire program came to an end, and Yudhishthira Maharaj took the Avabruta Snana, means after the yajna is performed, yajna is completed, generally the king along with his entourage go to the nearby river, pious river, they take bath. So that it is a yajna diksha, start with after the diksha, the end is Avabruta Snana, the final bath. So the Yudhishthira Maharaj did Avabruta Snana and became happy. And by the mercy, actually, by the great request of Yudhishthira Maharaj, Krishna, along with all his entourage, stayed back for several months. He stayed back several months, and because he came with so much big family for long, so he cannot just go back. So just 2 days and go back. So he stayed. He came in beginning, stayed for a long time, and still stayed, so that they have a good. And everybody who came to the Jajasu Yajna became so much satisfied. And only one person was completely disgusted. He became completely dissatisfied. That is Duryodhan. Except Duryodhan, everybody became. Actually, during this period when Krishna stayed here, many events took place. That is Khandava Vana Dahana also took place, and Arjuna saving Mayadanava, and Mayadanava giving Mayasabha. All these events took place during that time. And actually, during the Rajasu Yajna, we can see that how Krishna performed his unlimited opulence of renunciation. At that time, Yudhishthira Maharaj gave different tasks. He made different people in charge of different sections. He made Bhima in charge of cooking section, so that all cookings are nicely done. He used to taste and make it like that. And taking gifts, collecting, because everybody come and keep on giving gifts. So he made Duryodhan. So that made a big problem. So everybody is giving so many gifts to Yudhishthira Maharaj, and he is collecting. Oh my God, so many gifts are coming, unlimited. He became so much. And Sahadeva to invite Atithi, and Arjuna to serve the senior great Vaishnavas or senior great Gurujana. If any elderly people came from their in the family, he used to invite them and worship him. Krishna's role to wash the lotus feet of great saintly persons. Krishna took, I want to wash feet of. Just imagine. This is the height of renunciation. So he took that job. And Krishna and Arjuna also, he was engaged, he was in charge of serving the Gurujan, and Krishna is washing the lotus feet of all the Gurujan and the great saintly persons. And Draupadi was made in charge of distributing food, prasadam, to everybody. So she took like that. Different people have different, and very happily the whole things happened. And everybody went back to their homes. And during that period only, the Duryodhana got offended. Means not exactly during this yajna that is over, but was still continuing. And all people went, but meanwhile they got the Mayasabha, everything. One day, Duryodhana with his friends entered into the Mayasabha very rashly, and they started shouting also at the Dwarapalak, and he entered, and he was just got confused by looking at the great architecture. He felt that somewhere there is water, but it is only reflection, the 3D picture. And somewhere he felt there is no water, but is a water. So he felt in the water. In that way, at that time when he was confused and fell down, Bhima laughed. And by looking at him, remaining people are laughed. And Krishna encouraged everybody to laugh. that really boiled the mind of Duryodhana, and he became very much ashamed, and he has taken a pledge that he would really make big harm to all Pandavas. Of course, that was the intention of Krishna, because he wanted to eliminate the burden. So the biggest burden is the various kings, different kings and their armies, and he wanted to create at some point of time that all will be en masse and massacred. That was his idea. So in this way, the Rajasuya Yajna was performed, and everybody became very happy. And it so happened that if somebody gets nectar, as a common man, if he gets nectar, he would never be satisfied. And similarly, the people who came and attended Rajasuya Yajna, they went back to their respective kingdoms, and they were narrating. Actually, even when they are here, they were trying to narrate each other, how great it is, how great it is. When they are continuously narrating, great, still they are not satisfied. And they went back to their native places, and they were narrating so much, whatever they experienced. Still, days together, just narrating what is a great experience, they were still not satisfied. While for narrating also people not satisfied, and also people to hear also not satisfied. That was the glorious situation, the power or the glories of Rajasuya Yajna, because in that Lord Krishna was glorified as the topmost personality of God, the God of God. And in this way, Yudhishthira Maharaja's strong desire to declare to the whole world that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead got completely satisfied, completely fulfilled. Thank you.